GoPro, no? It's blue. Only about 1,000 more yards. You need the harness? Yell me if you do, okay? Attaboy, Gustavo! You getting lots of pictures? Okay. Gracias! Woo! Okay, we have about an hour left in our whole trip of 3 days. We finally just caught our first marlin, 350-pound blue. We've been fishing live bait all day long. We just switched to artificial. We put a, what do you call them? Ballyhoos on the line, and within 3 minutes, bam, hit it. So, great time.
How do you feel?
Exhausted.
How's that arm?
Sore, but
we didn't get skunked.
No, we did not.
Gustavo, gracias. Right. Willie, thank you very much.